Hi everyone, this is Flo and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the Galaxy S5 and introduce it for you. So I get this phone with this box, which is an amazing box for the Galaxy S5. On that you find a small notice with how to start with the phone. Here you also get headphones, just like that, with an amazing charger, which is this one, just beautiful, and this is a 2.0 USB cable here. Okay, the device is just this one, an amazing one. I get it in white color. You get on this one Android 4.4.2, which is KitKat version. Just here I will just use the brightness at the maximum to see it easily. On the screen you get a 5.1 inches screen with a resolution of 1090 pixel. Okay, so this is an amazing one, and you get Super AMOLED screen, which is just good with with amazing contrasts and 432 pixel per inches. This screen is also a Gorilla Glass 3.2. You can see that you see the screen at this kind of angle. On the phone you get Snapdragon 801 quad-core, which is at 2.5 GHz. Also you get 2.2 GB of memory and 16 GB for the internal disk, or 42 if you prefer, if you have the other version. Also you can extend it with a SD card. You get also there a camera, which is a 2 megapixel camera for front face, and you get different sensors here and a speaker on front. This screen is just amazing because this is a 5.1 inches screen, and on this one you don't have any buttons there, as HTC made it, as you already maybe seen there. Here, those buttons on the Galaxy S5 are, as on the previous HTC, just here, as you can see maybe there, the return button, the apps button, and the home button. And this is just something amazing because you can use all the screen for your applications, and this is not the case with the HTC, which take this part, which is a part of the screen. You get a 4G connection with this one, and a micro USB 3.0 just there, here, as you can see. Okay, you get on the left part the volume button, just here. You can see that this is just accurate to measure it. You get the power button just here, and on this point the jack and the infrared to use it as a remote. There you can remove the cover, which is a plastic cover, and thanks to that you have access to the battery. Insert a SIM or SD card just there. This is just something so cool. Okay, also you can remove the cover, because if you use the SU cover you can clip it immediately at this part of the phone. On the back of the phone you get a 16 megapixel camera just there, a flash LED, and a sensor to get the pulsation of your earth with the finger, like that. There you also get another speaker. The plastic is quite good and you have a good sensation on that. The phone is 145 grams, so this is just something cool for that. Okay, you also have a lot of applications on this phone. About performances, I already tested with benchmark, and this is the best one on the results, and this is good. On the user interface, you have, as on the HTC, a new thing, which is My Magazine, maybe a kind of Blinkfeed, as previous version of Blinkfeed, because you have notifications, news on that, but you can't select the news you want. You have a kind of news. If you go in settings, you can select kind of news, but you can't select the news you want with some keywords as on the new version of BlinkFeed on the HTC. On the user interface also, you get some Android apps and Samsung apps. There you can go to applications here, and you get some panels with a lot of applications. For example, you get internet, you get the chat on for Samsung, the Samsung apps, which is the Play Store of Samsung. You also get S Health, and with this one you can use the heart rate. You press it, you put your finger just there, okay, there, you put your finger here, and you wait a few seconds and you get your BPM, 91 at this moment, and you have some statistics. The new stuff on Samsung is this one. You get double window. With this one you are able, for example, to use Gmail to send some mails, and at the same time search something on the internet, and you can use a lot of applications just there. As you can see, the gallery, YouTube and others. You can create or edit some others. You can create some folders, but not as other user interface. For example, you can't create a folders just like that. You have to create folder there to be able to create a new folder. Okay, there, and you can remove it. That's this point. Other points about Samsung application, you get also the smart remote to control your TV, for example. Also, you get pictures, you get YouTube, Play Store, and all normal applications. There, on this status bar notification, you get all notifications here, and others just there, which are quick settings, just to be able to change it quite fastly. You can also get it to get some toolbox, which is the calculator, also the camera, internet, micro or notes, which is something cool there. You can also remove it or edit it easily. Okay, so this part is also a cool part here. You get settings. On settings you can see that there is a lot of settings there. You can order it as a list, a grid. This is the list. That was the grid. You get also a tab view just here, and you can swipe there on different part of the settings. You also are able to edit the quick settings, which are those one just here, and you can do that easily. For example, there are a lot of good applications as finger scanner, which is finger just there to unlock the phone. You also get some good stuff, screen monitoring, multi-window as I showed, the one-handed operation, also accessibility. If you want to use it to get font size, you can get a huge font size if you need it. Okay, you can use extra small, magnifici gesture, and other vision settings, also hearing setting and dexterity and interaction as air wake up or smart scroll. Smart scroll is just to be able to swipe different pages like that, and air wake up is this kind of wake up just here if you want to see it. Sometimes it works very good, sometimes not. There it works. Okay, interaction control, also a lot of stuff like that. Air view, you can just use it. For example, if you are playing, you are just doing something like that, you go to the gallery. There you want to see a picture. You don't have to touch it. You just have to put your finger over. If you press it, you get it. But just put your finger over the screen. Just have to see it like that. You don't have to touch, and you see it. If you play a video, for example, just there. I play my video. Okay, just once. Oh no, I play it. You can see different. Okay, I go back there. I want to play it. I play it with photos just once. And if you go there, why not? With AirPlaner you should see the part of video where you are. Okay, so I don't know why it didn't work just there. Okay, no, it didn't work, I don't know why. Okay, so AirView give you the possibility to do that, for example. That was the presentation of the user interface. I'm sure I forget something, but just let me know. Yes, you get also the camera. On camera there are a lot of mods. The good stuff is maybe as HTC with double camera, you are able to focus after taking a picture. You also get different mode to shoot different pictures, and the good one is virtual tour, just to take a picture on a house to visit it. The good point is also to keep the camera there, record video and take picture on this same screen, and I didn't see it on the new HTC. Okay, you select the mode. You also get a lot of settings just here to improve your pictures and to save amazing pictures. I will just come back with a full comparison of the camera with the HTC One. About something cool I see, that was about messages. For example, if I go to Gmail and I create a new, you get an amazing keyboard, and I really like it. About something else, about the battery get different settings. You get on battery there power saving, and two different power saving: the cool power saving, just restricting some performances, and also the ultra power saving. And on the ultra power saving you just get amazing performances. It changed completely the user interface just to save the battery as you never seen. For example, with this one you can use the phone for 11 days, which is something just amazing. And this is the interface that you just got there. This is a black and white, but this is cool to get it. If you are, for example, using your phone, you don't have any enough battery to continue the day, you use it for some hours in order to continue to use it to end your day. For me, this new smartphone is just an amazing one. I will continue to answer your questions, so let me some comments on this video or somewhere else. Continue to subscribe and you will be happy to see my next test. Thank you for watching. That was Flo.